One night, Edward was telling one of his famous ghost stories to the other engines. Just then the Fat Controller arrived. But he was, a little. When they arrived at the scrapyard, James kept teasing Percy. Thomas felt sorry for Percy. His chance came sooner than expected. When James was by himself, everything around him looked spooky. James shunted some flatbeds into a siding. Then suddenly an old whistle went off. James ran out of the scrapyard as quickly as he could. Thomas and Percy were at Tinman's sheds with the other engines when they all heard James's whistle. He rattled over the turntable and into the sheds. James was in such a shock, he did not reply.